Hi, my name's Georgina Williams and I work on the JCB Backhoe Loader products team. JCB have redesigned the integrated quick hitch forks on the JCB Backhoe Loader. And today I'm going to be showing you some of the features and benefits of this new design. I'm also going to be showing you the optional fork camera kit and how this can significantly improve ease of use when using the forks on your backhoe loader.
The new fork design improvements allow for faster deployment and enhanced performance. The forks, as you can see, are now stowed on the outside of the loader arms, making it much easier to access. This means no grease on your clothes, as there's no need to lean over the loader arms when deploying and stowing the forks. The new design allows for the forks to be spread wider, allowing for increased load stability. The backhoe forks are now as wide as a JCB Loader fork carriage. Now, let's take a look at how the optional extra camera system even further promotes ease of use when operating the forks on a backhoe. Without the camera system, picking up a load from ground level could be challenging, as visibility to the fork tips is restricted. However, with the camera, visibility is significantly enhanced. The camera also has another view, which is useful for hooking attachments onto the front quick hitch. You can switch modes by pressing this button.
So there you have it, the integrated quick hitch forks with optional camera kits on a JCB backhoe loader. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed that one, and for more videos check out our playlist.